welcome back. Grab a seat. Because today we are flying around the globe while I tell you something that's going to absolutely blow your mind. So, today's topic, how much MrBeast actually makes every single month just from YouTube. And I'm not talking about one channel, I'm talking about 5 of his channels. Let's dive in. Let's start with the big one, his main channel, MrBeast. In the last 30 days alone, his channel pulled in 3.53 billion views. That's billion with a B. And from those views, he made close to $2.99 million, basically $3 million from one channel in 1 month. That's insane. Now, let's jump up to his gaming channel. This one brought in $484,100 last month. That's almost $500,000 just from playing games and posting game stuffs on camera. Next up, this Philanthropy. I think I'm right. This channel decided to giving back here. This one earned like $47,000. And then the Beast Reacts, which bought in for $41,600. And don't forget this second main channel, MrBeast 2 is one alone made $231,800. So if you add all that up across all 5 channels, MrBeast is making close to $3.8 million every single month just from YouTube ad revenue. That's insane. Or, let's just sink in for a second. If your mind is as blown as mine right now, hit that subscribe button. This time, not for a cookie, for a coconut. See you in the next one.